Hi, welcome to Think Human. I'm Chris, and in this video I want to talk about 3 possible solutions to the Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox being the question if life has the possibility of arising in many different places, and the universe is so vast, and we now know that almost every single star that we see in the sky has planets, at least one planet or multiple planets around it. There are so many opportunities for life to arise. So where are all the aliens? Why don't we see any sign of alien life? And so there are many possible reasons why this could be, and in this video I will only talk about 3 of these. And so the first one we could have would be this kind of a bit of a depressing solution, and this would be that there is some kind of reason, some concrete roadblock, something that prevents civilizations from actually going outside and colonizing space. So either space travel between the stars is really difficult, maybe civilizations, when they get to a certain point of technology, they just kill themselves. Maybe natural disasters happen. Maybe when you unlock some technology, it kills all the citizens of the planet. Something like that. Something preventing life to continue on from a certain stage. So there's another proposed option, and this would be that once civilizations reach a really technologically mature age, even we start to see this virtual reality and augmented reality, how we have these headsets, and this is really basic and simple start, but we can extrapolate a bit for the future when these simulations get more and more realistic and eventually indistinguishable from real life. And if you could get into this simulation, then you could change everything. You could change your neurochemistry, you could be happy all day long. If you think you get tired of being happy, then you can program in some sadness and challenges in your life. Like, it's absolutely free for you to design this world however you like. And there won't be anything in there that people don't desire. So this, compared to the cold, harsh reality that we live in, that's uncaring and sort of really absurdly neutral towards any life, and quite hostile in a sense, most of the universe. So this might be one reason that civilizations, they just look around, they do all the discovering, and then at one point they're like, well, but life is just so much easier and so much better inside simulations. Like, why even bother to go out there and explore the universe? But this is just one option, and with these kind of really important to note that these kind of solutions to the Fermi Paradox, and when we're talking about these kind of things, certain characteristics of species, this must mean that all of them follow the same route. So like with the first one, that there's some reason why civilizations can't get advanced enough to go colonize the galaxy. This must apply to every single civilization. The second one as well, maybe this is this might be balanced between different reasons, but this one also, it would require all of the civilizations to turn inward and go into these simulations, and it's not probably likely that all do the same thing at once. We as human beings, we are really exploratory. We're quite crazy because we have on our minds to go and expand, and we think about going to Mars and mining asteroids, and I don't think it will stop anywhere there. I think we want to keep going, and people are already thinking about missions of going to the other stars, the closest ones. And so I think this is something we have, like, if we can do it, we want to do it. I think that's a part of humanity. So a third really interesting option would be that we live in a simulation. I haven't seen this anywhere. This is just something that I came up with, and it's not like I'm like really seriously thinking that this is the reality we live in, but this is just one proposed solution. And this would be that indeed we would live in a simulation, and the simulation is created only for our civilization, so it doesn't matter, there doesn't need to be anything else. Like, whoever made the simulation, they only want to study us or focus on observing us. So that's just like one hypothetical possibility. There are many other very interesting reasons why aliens might not colonize the whole galaxy, but it is interesting to think about, because it wouldn't take long on a civilization timescale, maybe hundreds of thousands of years, millions of years, to colonize an entire galaxy. But the galaxy's been here for tens of thousands of millions of years. It's just absurdly long amounts of time, and like that, not even once anything like this has happened. So just hopefully a few interesting thoughts. Hope you got something from it. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.